everyone, it's Vicky here, and I am Simply Made Crafts design team member, and I have been with Helen for coming up to about 3 years now, and I'm so excited to be taking part in her 6th birthday celebrations this week. So before I get on into the bundles that I've been kindly sent, there is also a giveaway happening, and all you have to do is head over to Helen and CraftStash Facebook page and comment, like the page, share the page, and the winner will be announced on the live Facebook page over on CraftStash, I believe it is, on Friday, and the winner will be announced there. So Helen has kindly sent us all a bundle to play with. So this is the bundle I got. So I got the window treat box die set, the pinwheel die set, the ice cream cone die set, and the popcorn cart die set. I've also used some other dies from the other bundles to decorate my project with. And also, please join myself and Helen tomorrow over on Helen's Facebook page and YouTube channel, where we will be demonstrating some more projects using some of the other products in the other bundles as well. So all that information will be found in the link down below, and yeah, come and join us. So today I'm going to be making this gorgeous ice cream treat box, and then I made a holder for it to sit in, and I think it's turned out really nice. So we've got 6 ice creams, each one opens up so you can put treats inside. I've added some sprinklers on the top and on the front, and it's really easy to make, perfect for any party table. And yeah, I absolutely love it. So let's get started. This is what we're going to be aiming for. So to make that, we're going to be using the window treat box die set. So I've cut 6 pieces of craft card using this die here, and they will look like this when you first die cut them out. You're going to put 4 of these to one side, and then the other 4 we're going to add some holes. First of all, what you want to do is you want to place these in your scoreboard and just go over those score lines just to, you know, fold easier, and then that will make your card not crack. Then before we assemble these, we need to add the circles to 4 of these pieces. So to achieve that, I got a 2-inch circle, and we have this section here with the 3 tabs on. This area is where we're going to add our 2 holes. So you're going to get your 2-inch circle and place that on there, run that through your die cutting machine, and then place it again on this side and do exactly the same, and then you'll do that to the other 3 pieces. Okay, and then we can assemble this together. So you're going to get one with the 2 holes and one plain. You're going to add some liquid glue on here, and then you're going to get this edge and line it up with that fold there and place that on top. And then you want to make sure that this score line is all joined up together, because if you don't join that up nicely, it will affect your box when you fold it up. Again, we're going to add glue to this area here, fold that over and join that together. So now we want to come to the sides. So we're going to fold these small tabs in, add glue to them. This one's going to go down first and glue that down, and then add glue to this one, glue that on top. Okay, I'm going to do the same again. So these small tabs, add glue, this one in, and then this one over the top. So when you've done that, you're going to get your other 2 boxes and you're going to glue them together like this. Then a die cutter frame just to go over the circles here, because I wanted to make that look a bit more finished. So for that, I got the 2-inch circle, And then I got one of the circles. You can either have a 2 3/8 circle die that you have in your stash, or the window die set and the ice cream cone die set have 2 circles that both measure 2 3/8, so you could use either of them. So I laid that one over the top of the 2-inch circle, added some tape, and then ran that through my die cutting machine using some patterned paper. And then you'll add your frames on top. I've cut 2 pieces that measure 2 7/8 by 8 7/8. They will go on the longer sides, so here and here, and then we'll have 2 to go on the shorter sides that measure 2 7/8 by 5 1/4, and then they will get glued on these ends here. So get them glued down. Okay, so I've added the pattern paper now. Add these beautiful decorative borders. So for that, I have used the Fancy Edge die set, and I die cut some pink mirror card using this one here 4 times. You want to keep the tabs on them because these are going to get tucked underneath. Fold in the tabs inwards like so, and then leave these ones for the minute. One here, and as you can see, I've got these folds here there, and I folded it around, so then it's given me a nice finish onto the edge here. And then I just laid it down this side and just folded that down. Okay, so that one's glued down. I haven't glued the tabs yet. This one on top of that tab there, and we're going to glue that one down. Just keep adding them until you go all the way around, which I'm going to do, and I'll come back. And I stuck all those tabs down, and then I've added another piece of craft card just to hide those tabs up, and this measures 8 7/8 by 5 1/4. Okay, and then I stuck that on, and then I just went ahead and decorated the front of my box. So I thought I'd just do this off camera. So I've made the pinwheel from the summer paper pinwheel die set, and then I've used the elegant accessory die set to decorate it. Okay, and then I've just added some tissue paper in there just to finish that off. So that is the tray done. Let's make the ice creams that will fit inside there, and these come off so you can add your treats inside. So let's make them. 6 ice creams, and for that we're using the ice cream cone gift box die set. I'm going to use this die here to cut out your patterned paper, the circle that you need to also cut out with the matching paper. For the cone, you need to die cut these out in craft cardstock. So we have this die here, you need to die cut one of them. Then we have this one, die cut one of them. We've got this curved die cut one of them, and then we have this one and cut one of them. Cut the small circle in craft cardstock. You will also get this die here, and this is like a stencil. You can run it through your Big Shot and it will emboss it, but I actually like to just lay this on top, get my vintage photo ink and just dab the ink on, and then it will give you that cone effect. And I also decided to do it on this one as well. So I'm going to start off with the ice cream itself, and when you die cut this out, it will have these score lines. I would recommend placing this in your scoreboard and going over those score lines again. So we need to fold, and we're going to start on the diagonal score lines first, and for them we're going to do a mountain fold. Okay, so do those ones first, and then we've got these straight score lines. You're going to do them as a valley fold. Come to these tabs on the side, so I'm going to cut off this one, leave that one, go to the next one, cut that off, leave that one, and you're just going to repeat that. Then I want to cut these tabs even smaller, So as you can see, I've done one already, so I'm going to do one with you and then I'll do the other two off camera. So we're just going to cut down the center of this one and trim off this side and leave that one, and you're going to do the same for the other two. So you're going to just lay it down and you're going to pinch these two together, so it's like that, and then push that center piece together. Okay, so then you should have something like that. Your liquid glue all on the inside. Okay, and then these tabs need to fold inwards like that. Add these curves into your ice cream. So just get your bone folder and just go in and give them a curve round. Glue this into the center of this circle. So I'm going to try and get that as central as I can. Just add a bit of glue underneath here and place that in the center. These tabs, you're going to fold that around and glue your tabs onto the inside of that circle. So can you see? Okay, and you're going to do that for all of them. So just add a bit of hot glue and then line that up. I'm going to do the same for this one. Glue them down and then continue all the way around. Now it looks like, so put that to one side. Now we're going to do the cone. Assemble this one first. I've also gone ahead and distressed all the craft pieces of card as well. So you'll see here you've got this tab which hasn't got a score line. You want to leave that alone because that is just basically a guide for where we need to attach our cone together. So I think I'm going to add liquid glue for this one. To press that down and just hold that in place. So when that's glued, we're going to push these tabs in. Going to attach this small circle over the top. So again, add hot glue for this and place that over the top like so. Then we're going to come to this piece here. Again, you've got this tab here, the score line again. This is just a guideline for you to attach that and also for this to be able to have something to glue to. And then you've got these small tabs here. You're going to push them right in like so. And then this one here as well. Add glue here. And then, like I said, these small ones will get tucked in like so, and then these large ones will get the ice cream to attach on there. Just add some hot glue, glue that in place. Piece to here, so that's going to get wrapped around. So I'm just adding a curve into that, and I'm going to add my liquid glue onto here, hold that in place, and then when that one's dry I'm going to just wrap it around and glue the rest down. Cone, fill it with treats and then obviously add the lid on, and as you can see it doesn't fall off. And there we go. So now we just need to add some decorations. So I'm going to add a chocolate flake to this and possibly a strawberry, and then when I've done that I am going to make the other ice cream. So this is what the front of the tray looks like in real, and then I've just added some of the like confetti all over the box and also on top of the boxes, just to give that a bit of something because I thought it just seemed a bit plain. And then obviously we have the ice creams inside. So I've got 3 that look like this. I've got 3 that look like this. Guys, that is my project for Simply Made Crafts 6th birthday. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give this a go. Don't forget to go and check out the other videos that have been uploaded to CraftStash so far. And I hope you all have a great day and see you soon. Bye!